So if you've been following my W205 C300 build, I think I installed 2 or 3 different air intake kits on that car, and they've all been great. The last one I installed had this kind of carbon fiber look to it. Unfortunately, it doesn't look exactly like the real carbon fiber that's my engine cover and my air intake tube. And that's why I want to change it to this right here. So this was sent to me from my sponsors over at Tornado Tuning. This is a all carbon fiber air intake kit for the W205 C300, and it looks great. And if you're interested in this kit for your car, definitely reach out to Tornado Tuning. I'll leave their contact information in the description below. So this is all carbon fiber. If you look on the bottom here, the weave, you can see the weave. It's real carbon fiber. It comes with the tube, it comes with the air filter cover, and it comes with a reusable air filter. So whenever the air filter gets dirty, you just rinse it, let it dry, put it back in the car, and it's good to go. So I'm really interested to see how this looks on the car and how it sounds on the car. I already know it's going to perform well because I've already had a Tornado Tuning air intake kit. It just wasn't carbon fiber. So let's go ahead and slap this on the car. Okay, so here is my engine bay. So a few things to mention before we start, because I know you guys are going to talk about it in the comment section. My carbon fiber air intake tube here is not installed, and the reason why is because I actually scratched it up, so it's getting re-lacquered right now, which kind of sucks, but it'd be great to have it here so I can show you everything matched up, but it is what it is. The engine cover is still here. That's the carbon fiber one. Looks awesome. And I removed the old kind of carbon fiber style air intake kit, and the reason I did that was so I can put the OEM one on and show you how I can upgrade to the new one straight from the OEM setup. So let's go ahead and take this apart and then put on the new carbon fiber one. First thing I'm going to do is remove the engine cover, so that way when this OEM intake is free, it could pull right out. And next I'm going to loosen this clamp right here, which is just a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips head screwdriver. And next I'm going to remove 2 torque screws using a torque screwdriver. So before I can remove this cover from the car, there is a sensor that's plugged into the top. The easiest way to get to that, in my opinion, is to pull the cover off like this. And now I can unclip the cable to the sensor like that. And now this should come off the car. There you go. So here's the sensor. I'm just going to twist it counterclockwise and pull it out like that. Okay, now I'm going to install it on the new intake. There you go. Next, I'm going to remove the stock filter. And now I can install the new carbon intake. So I'm going to stick the tube end of the intake into the existing tube first, and then line up the top portion with the existing air box to the car. Now I'm going to reinstall the 2 torque screws. Okay, now I'm going to reconnect the connection to the sensor. It's just snap right into place. And the last step is just to tighten up the clamp. Okay, engine cover is back on. Just going to clean it up a bit, but it's ready to test out. And here's how it sounds with the new carbon intake. So tell me, have you ever seen a W205 C300 with that much carbon fiber under the hood? Probably not, but it looks pretty badass, doesn't it? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions on the carbon fiber air intake or any of the other carbon fiber parts on my car, definitely reach out to Tornado Tuning in the description below. So that's it for me, and I'll see you next time.